Well, hello everyone. Welcome to my studio. My name is Kitiya Palaskas. I am a craft-based designer, content creator, and author, and I'm here today to share with you some inspiring ideas and creative projects that you can make using the brand new Cricut Maker 3, now available at Spotlight, along with the brand new Explore 3 as well. So I love the Cricut Maker machines. I use mine literally every day in my craft-based design work. I love the versatility and the amount of tools and materials that you can use with them. So it goes without saying that I am super excited to test drive the Maker 3 with you today and to share with you some brand new features that I think you are going to love. So let's jump in and have a look. The Maker 3 itself comes in this beautiful new colour, and it can cut up to 2 times faster compared to the Cricut Explore Air 2 or the Cricut Maker. There's a brand new suite of smart materials, including smart vinyl, smart iron-on, and smart paper. With the Cricut Smart Materials, there is matless cutting, so the materials feed directly into the machine without having to use a mat. And when using smart materials, you can cut up to 3.6 meters at once, which is so handy for those long, continuous designs you want to cut. If you're wondering what to create with your Maker 3, here's a clever upcycle project for you to try. So I love giving tired homewares new life, and there's so many ways to do that using the Maker 3. Today we're going to give this boring mirror a makeover by creating a fancy new wooden frame using our Maker 3 and some colourful smart vinyl. For this project you'll need your Maker 3, the knife blade, which is a blade that comes separate to your machine, some smart vinyl. I'm using both the long 3.6 meter roll and the shorter 0.9 meter roll here. I'm also using some premium vinyl for some embellishments at the end. And you'll need some Craftwood 2mm plywood sheets, which I got from Spotlight. I'm using 4. You'll also need a Cricut weeding tool and vinyl applicator, and finally a hot glue gun. I'm going to use a wavy shape that I found in the Cricut Access library and the weld tool in Design Space to create seamless segments for each edge of my mirror frame. I'm creating shorter segments to cut from the wood, which I'll glue onto my existing mirror frame to create a base. And then, because I'm using smart vinyl to cover the base, I can weld the shapes together in Design Space to form seamless, long pieces for each edge and do a long cut on my machine. I've also found a flower design I like, which I'm using to cut decorative embellishments from wood with a vinyl overlay. Once I'm ready to cut, I'm going to select the multiple ways cutting option so I can manually choose between matless and on-mat cutting to suit the different materials I'm using for this project. When cutting thicker materials, your Maker 3 will do multiple passes to complete the cut. To decorate my mirror, I'll first hot glue the craftwood segments around the frame to create the base. I'll then carefully apply the long vinyl strips on top. After affixing the vinyl overlay to my flower components, I'll hot glue them onto the mirror to complete the look. So I hope you're inspired by all the different ways that you can use the brand new Cricut Maker 3 in your creative projects. Don't forget that you can pick up a Maker 3, the brand new Explore 3, and any of these new smart materials at your local Spotlight store. Have fun and happy crafting. Bye!